In this lecture, we are going to study effect of pollution on environment and on individual human beings. Let's start with its effect. Pollution can take the form of chemical substances or energy such as noise, heat or light. Pollution is the harm that results because of the presence of substances where they would not normally be found or because they are present in larger than normal quantities. Pollution occurs in different forms, that is air, water, soil, radioactive, noise, heat or thermal and light. Every form of pollution has two sources of occurrence, that is the point and the non-point sources. The point sources are easy to identify, monitor and control, whereas non-point sources are hard to control. What are the effects of pollution? The effects in living organism may range from mild discomfort to serious diseases such as cancer to physical deformities. Effects of pollution are environment degradation, human health effect, global warming, ozone layer depletion and infertile land. Let us understand these effects in detail. Environment degradation. Environment is the first casualty for increase in pollution, whether in air or water. The increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leads to smoke, which can restrict the sunlight from reaching the earth, thus preventing plants in the process of photosynthesis. Gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide can cause acid rain. Water pollution in terms of oil spill may lead to death to several life of wildlife species. Pollution affects the health of living organism. Let us discuss human health hazards. The most serious result of pollution is its harmful biological effect on human health and on the food chain of animals, birds and marine life. Pollution, vegetation that provides food and shelter. It can disrupt the balance of nature and in extreme cases can cause death of humans. Oil spill can cause skin irritation and rashes. Noise pollution increases hearing loss, high blood pressure and makes the person stressful and sleep disturbance. Pollution greatly affects the environment as global warming. The emission of greenhouse gases, particularly carbon dioxide, is leading to global warming. Every other day, new industries are being set up. New vehicle comes on road and trees are cut to make way for new homes. All of them, indirect or indirect, will lead to the increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The increase in carbon dioxide leads to melting of polar ice caps, which increases the sea level and pose danger for the people living near coastal areas. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer is a thin shield high up in the sky that stops ultraviolet rays from reaching the earth. As a result of human activities, chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons were released in the atmosphere, which contributes to the depletion of ozone layer. Pollution causes land infertile. Due to constant use of insecticide and pesticide, the soil may become infertile. Plants may not be able to grow properly. Various form of chemicals produced from industrial waste is released into the flowing water, which also affect the quality of soil. Pollution not only affects humans by destroying their respiratory, cardiovascular and neurological system, it also affects the nature, plants, fruits, vegetables, rivers, ponds, forests, animals, etc. on which they are highly dependent for survival. It is crucial to control pollution as the nature, wildlife and human life for precious gift to the mankind. This is for today. See you in the next session.